Hello everyone, today we are exploring the Refoss Smart Dimmer Switch, designed for your modern connected home. This 2-pack requires a neutral wire and connects to your local 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. You can easily adjust your lighting from 1 to 100% via app or voice commands. It integrates perfectly with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant for a complete hands-free experience. Create custom schedules or use sunrise modes to automate your daily lighting routines and save valuable energy. The heat-resistant housing and smart circuit design keep your home safe from any potential electrical overloads. Elevate your living space with these reliable and easy-to-install smart switches for much better control. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.